In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove your Google account from Android phone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any phone that you have. So what you want to do is the standard sign out method. What you want to do is go over to your settings application. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down and tap accounts and backup. So we're just going to go ahead and find that and you go to accounts and backup. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on manage accounts, which is going to be at the very top. Then find the Google account you want to sign out of and then tap it. So let's just say I want to sign out of this one right here. Then you're going to see remove account. A pop-up will warn you that messages and contacts will be deleted from the phone, but they do remain safe in the cloud. Then just tap remove account again. And if this is the primary account, you may need to enter your phone's PIN or fingerprint to confirm it. And once you've done with that, you'll be good to go. If you don't have the phone in your hand, you can sign out using any web browser as well by going over to your security tab in your Google settings and then going over to your devices and then managing devices and signing out of Android 2. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting from this channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.